Here we will create a window application to display data grid view selected row value to a text box. So first we will add form. And we will add controls on it. These are the controls that we have added. One data grid view, and to display the data from the data grid view we have added this text box. Now to add the data to the data grid view from database table, we will set connection to the database. For this, first we will import system.data.oldb and we will write connection string for making connection with the database. This is the connection string to make the connection with the database. Then I have created object for OLEDB connection, object for command object as CMD, and I will create object for data table as DT. To display the data in the data grid view, I will write one data bind method and I will write code for displaying the data. In this data bind method, first I call the set connection method to make the connection, and then I used select statement to get the data from employee data table. Then this query I have executed using the execute reader, and I will load the data reader to the data table, and I will set the data source property of the data grid view to DT, that is data table, and I will call this method after initializing component. Now to display the data from the data grid view, I will use cell enter event of the data grid view. So I will create event for cell enter and I will write code here. Txt name dot text equal to data grid view 1 dot current row, that is the row which is selected, dot cell number 0 dot value to string. Here it will select first cell value and it will assign to the txt name. Then I will assign gender with cell value 1, then birth date with cell value 2 and designation with cell value 3. To execute, I will call it in program.cs and I will execute it. It will display the data from the selected row in the text box.